I am trying to fix this garage door opener. It has a bad roller which I removed, and I thought let's do some video because I am taking some home kind of trick to remove those roller from the bearing and other stuff. So you can find other video which tells you how to remove this all from the motor and other thing. I already removed mine and then thought let's do, because I'm doing some home trick to remove that stopper from the roller. So here it is. Okay, I use this hammer, then you see this dollar store one screwdriver, which is basically you can get it from the dollar store. I got it from the dollar store I think 6-7 years back. And so what I did, I put this wood and then make sure the wood is the length, not more than the length of the between that stud, between the roller and then front top assembly. So what I did, I keep it like that and then push the hammer from here, and then that way it fall out that stopper, you see. Yeah, and let me show you. Yes, I don't have another person, otherwise you see this is a stopper which basically stops the roller from coming out. I'm stopping this video and we'll try to take another one, or let's try to do this from here. Okay, so here you see the another stopper, which is, I just make sure the diameter of the screwdriver is not more than that stopper. So just put the stopper here, and then now it will be difficult for me. Let's do this. Yeah. And just see, it came out perfectly fine. If you don't have any other tool, this is the way you can remove that stopper from the roller, and then now you can remove it just fine. Okay. You see this two stopper hole. Not the all the way down, and first one from the top and the bottom.